Drywall Axe. Measure, mark, cut. The Drywall Axe is a time-saving 3-in-1 cutting tool designed for safety, ease, accuracy, and versatility. Easily measure, mark, and cut with one tool that can withstand the demands of contractor use. With its built-in heavy-duty measuring tape and secure lock, retractable utility blade, and solid grip, the Drywall Axe makes it easy to get professional results in less time. No more measuring twice and then cutting. Now you can measure and cut in one easy step. Simply pinpoint the start and determine the width required, then lock it down. Physically transfer your measurement and accurately score your material in a straight and consistent line using the built-in tape measure guide. The durable ABS head and rubberized handle help to maximize the balance and control, giving you a straight, predictable, and precise cut on a variety of building materials. There's a built-in holder for a carpenter's pencil for added versatility, repetitive tasks, or quickly measuring a full-length rip cut. The Drywall Axe isn't just for drywall. It's useful for anything from the floor of a basement to the roof of a home. It's ideal for floor tile, carpet, linoleum, wood flooring, insulation, wood paneling, hanging pictures and blinds, cutting fabric, foam board, vinyl siding, plywood, ceiling tile, roof shingles, and so much more. Keep it on hand to use as a measuring tape or utility knife. The Drywall Axe uses standard utility blades and comes with 4 extra blades that store conveniently in the handle. The Drywall Axe weighs less than a pound and has a sleek design. Save precious storage space by replacing your old tools.
From the non-conductive tool company, 6 functions, 2 tools, total control, introducing VoltClaw. A lightweight, time-saving tool designed to safely handle electrical wires. The VoltClaw is essential equipment for any electrician's tool belt. For safely reaching junction boxes, switches, and breaker and service panels in any residential, commercial, or industrial wiring system. As is standard before any job, make sure to turn off power at the breaker box and check the contacts with your voltage detector. The VoltClaw pulls wire, bends wire, loops wire, and reloads boxes with ease. 2 tools, total control. With its lightweight ergonomic design, the VoltClaw is revolutionary in its design and simplicity. Whereas metal tools such as Lyman pliers conduct electricity and often destroy the wire installation, the VoltClaw handles wire much better than conventional metal tools. Built for ease and convenience,
Knipex diagonal cutters easily cut nails and all types of wire with high-performance precision. Available with a straight or angled head, these handheld 8 and 10-inch cutters have a high-leverage axle design that requires 25% less effort. Compared to other cutters, Knipex diagonal cutters reduce fatigue when cutting medium to hard wire types. The 12-degree angled head version cuts objects to a near flat finish, while providing increased hand clearance under the tool to avoid scraping knuckles. The diagonal cutters are also available with dual-component comfort handles that are softer where maximum squeezing pressure occurs to further minimize hand stress. Forged from innovative oil-hardened chrome vanadium steel, the Knipex diagonal cutters are lightweight, strong, and long-lasting. They feature a fixed forged axle rivet joint that ensures continuous smooth operation with no weakening or wobbling effect over time. The cutter's precision-matched induction-hardened cutting edges cut a wide range of materials. Users can go from cutting soft copper and aluminum to hardened materials like nails, piano wire, or ACSR wire without changing tools or damaging the cutting edges.
Restoring an old, worn wooden deck has always been a difficult job for a homeowner or a contractor. Whether you are trying to refinish a weathered wooden deck, prepping for a deck coating or stain, or trying to remove a failing coating, the process can be extremely labor-intensive, time-consuming, and costly. Dymabrush for Decks is a mechanical, chemical-free, diamond abrasive tool that can be used with any standard angle grinder. The patented diamond blades allow the tool to sand old weathered decks or remove thick textured coatings, as well as sanding painted or stained decks back to bare wood. Dymabrush for Decks is also ideal for removing years of coatings on hardwood floors without loading up or clogging, which always happens with traditional abrasives. Common methods, such as pressure washing, can easily destroy the boards and may take days to thoroughly dry, and the results are always inconsistent. Also, using dangerous chemicals can damage your wood, your siding, and your landscaping. Using Dymabrush for Decks, the sanding and coating can be done easily in one day, saving you time and money.
Tools bolt cutter is a destructive masterpiece, designed to cut through even your toughest jobs. It can easily cut through chains, nails, bolts, heavy-duty cable, and plenty of other strong metals. Every Capri Tools bolt cutter has heat-treated chromoly jaws, which have been shown to be stronger and more durable than chrome vanadium or carbon steel jaws. During an extensive cutting test, the Capri Tools bolt cutter experienced some chipped paint on the jaws, while another popular brand suffered some significant damage, reducing its effectiveness as a tool. The last thing you need is for your bolt cutters to fail you in the middle of an important job. Capri Tools bolt cutters also have serrated edges on both sides for a better slice, unlike other bolt cutters that only contain one or none. You can see here the oversized nuts that stabilize the cutters and add leverage for user convenience. Add ergonomic grips for comfortable handling and you've got a truly solid bolt cutter. If in doubt, remember that Capri Tools offers a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. Available in 12-inch, 14-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, and 36-inch sizes, the Capri Tools bolt cutters can cover all your heavy-duty needs with a jaw opening range from 5/32 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch.